Difference between do and make. We use do when someone performs actions, repetitive tasks, and obligations. In other words, do is often used when referring to work of any kind and referring to the action itself. We use make for creating or producing something and for actions you choose to do. In other words, make is often used when referring to the result. When do you use do? Do is used as follows. 1. Do is used when talking about work, jobs, or tasks. Note, they do not produce any physical object. Example, have you done your homework? I have guests visiting tonight, so I should start doing the housework now. I wouldn't like to do that job. Do is used when we refer to activities in general without being specific. In these cases, we normally use words like thing, something, nothing, anything, everything, etc. Example, hurry up, I've got things to do. Don't just stand there, do something. Is there anything I can do to help you? 2. We sometimes use do to replace a verb when the meaning is clear or obvious. This is more common in informal spoken English. Example, do I need to do my hair? Do equals brush or comb. Have you done the dishes yet? Done equals washed. I'll do the kitchen if you do the lawns. Do equals clean, do equals mow. When do you use make? Make is for producing, constructing, creating, or building something new. It is also used to indicate the origin of a product or the materials that are used to make something. Example, his wedding ring is made of gold. The house was made of adobe. Wine is made from grapes. These watches are made in Switzerland. We also use make for producing an action or reaction. Example, onions make your eyes water. You make me happy. It's not my fault. My brother made me do it. You use make before certain nouns about plans and decisions. Example, he has made arrangements to finish work early. They're making plans for the weekend. You need to make a decision right now. We use make with nouns about speaking and certain sounds. Example, she made a nice comment about my dress. The baby is asleep, so don't make any noise. Can I use your phone to make a call? Don't make a promise that you cannot keep. We use make with food, drinks, and meals. I made a cake for my birthday. She made a cup of tea. I must go now. I have to make dinner. Compare do and make. A. You have to make a cake for Simon. B. I'll do it later. Notice how in the response the verb do is used. This is because the meaning is clear and to avoid saying, I'll make it later, which could sound repetitive. Do and make list. do. Housework. Do the housework. Do laundry. Do your chores. Do the washing up, UK. Do the shopping. Make. Housework. Make the bed. Make room. Work, study. Do homework. Do an assignment. Do a report. Do a test, UK. Do a project. Do a course, UK. Food, drink, and meals. Make a cake. Make breakfast. Make dinner. Make a cup of tea. Taking care of your body. Do exercise. Do gymnastics. Do your makeup. Do your hair. Do your nails. Communications. Make a noise. Make a comment. Make a joke. Make a point. Make arrangements. Make a speech. Make a suggestion. Make a complaint. Make a confession. Make a prediction. Do non-specific activities. Do a favor, UK. Do a favor, US. Do badly. Do harm. Do damage. Do your best. Do a good job. Do well. Relationships, reaction. Make your eyes water. Make you happy. Make you sleep. Make you smile. Make friends. Make love. Make up. Plan, decision. Make a contract. Make progress. Make a choice. Make a plan. Make a decision. Make an attempt, effort. Make up your mind. Money. Make money. Make a profit. Make a fortune. Product material. Made of gold, silver. Made from oranges, lemons. Made in Japan or China. Made by me. Others. Make believe. Make sense. Make changes. Make sure. Make trouble.